Hi, this is Locke from Alpha Graphics. I nominate by my primary schoolmate won't take long for this ice bucket challenge. Here is I need to nominate 3 persons. The first one is Ricky Lee, my working team leader from Eagle Force. Second one is James Urbano. James Urbano is from K2 Concept, K2 Graphics. The third one, I need to nominate David Johnson Wu. This is from Quick Tech Asia. Alright, let's start it. Please donate to the ARS. Thank you. Nice. Please donate.
好啦，嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦，小朋友嚟啊！
哇，
好突然嘅啦，嚟啊！
哇，洗地啊！